big sell signal a couple of weeks ago when we collapsed below this 373.37 16-month channel bottom on bad earnings. We have met our first objective, and that is the 300.90 descending channel bottom in correlation with 291.81, which is a wave count using the same sequence of highs and lows as the channel bottom. Narrowing zone next week, I think 300.90 will be in the 298 handle as it converges with 291.81. This is bottom picking territory, may well contain selling through August, and from here we can round up into the low 370s or wherever this formation is as we move through timing. Now there are some hurdles on the way up, and near term, that is to say into next week, we do have this long-term trend line that we settled below last week, has been holding the highs so far this week. That is your 316.86. We bumped that up to a session containment level because if we close above it today, Friday, I do see that as kind of a short-term pull-away factor to the upside. If we do close today above 316.86, Monday we test this former channel bottom, but I do think closing today above 316.86 after having tested this midterm support in the 290s, low 300s, does now maintain 353.74 as a 2 to 3 week target. Once you test this midterm support, you can expect this resistance at 353.74 within 2 to 3 weeks. I've also been saying 373.37, that long-term channel bottom, within the next 3 to 5 weeks. So it's very stair-stepped, not inevitable that we will rally up to 373.37. And I say that especially in light of the fact that we have this former channel bottom that we never even tested and that we gapped clearly below it. So I've seen these setups before where you can continue to respect this as a significant pivot point. And so if we close today above 316.86, if you haven't been bottom picking the market on weakness this week, then I think you can buy the market. If you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, you can buy the market with a settlement above 316.86 over the next 2 or 3 weeks, 353.74 in reach where profits can be taken. And we could top out at 353.74 through August and fall away again into the 290s. Once again, that 373.37 formation able to contain buying through the rest of the year, below which we've only met our near to midterm target in the low 300 region. I have been saying that you should allow the 220s by the end of the year following the significant sell signal. If we do happen to fall back today and close below 291.81 for the week itself, then I do see by the end of September 227.47. On the way down, 271 even is our next kind of 3 to 5 day target. I am bearish through the rest of the year below 373.37, but through August I'm actually bullish above 300.90. Those are two very different time frames, and if we are given the opportunity to sell 373.37, that is a short sale through the rest of the year, the 227.47 area in reach over that time frame. Once again, if we close this week below 291.81 by the end of September, please click like, share, subscribe.
Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.